How to sync your FordPass app with your Ford vehicle. To begin, either visit Google Play or the Apple App Store and search for the FordPass app. Once the download is complete, launch the FordPass app and follow the registration steps provided. Now you can create an account by using your email and setting up a new password. You will receive a verification code via email shortly. Please ensure that you enter it into the provided boxes. Once the code has been entered, we can proceed with creating the account. Enter your first and last name and pick a password easy to remember. Please remember to accept the FordPass terms and conditions along with the privacy and cookie policy before proceeding. Skip this step if you don't want to create a passkey. Enabling notifications is also crucial. Select Yes to marketing options. Now we are adding your car to the app. Scan the VIN available on the car driver's door. Allow Ford to access your camera. The VIN code is easily accessible inside the driver's door frame. After scanning the VIN number, select Connect to Vehicle. While seated in your car, start the vehicle and confirm on the app that your car has been started. Now that your car has been identified, you can click on the Connect to Vehicle and then select Continue to establish the connection. Now activate FordPass. Confirm connectivity enabled. Now select Yes to enable FordPass connected services. Congratulations, you're now linked to FordPass. Now select Finlay Ford Naas as your preferred dealer.